Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you why you should learn Premier in 2025. Um, 2025. In 2025, Premier is said to be one of the most essential tools for anyone in web design and development category. Here is why, and today I will explain some key points. Which key points will inspire you for learning Framer. Okay, the first thing is no code simplicity. Framer allows you to create interactive, visually stunning website without the need for complex coding. This makes it accessible for beginners and powerful enough for professional. With Framer, you can focus on creativity and design without worrying about technical limitation. So here one of my project I made before, which project I built using Framer. So you can see this is a uh, beautiful website, and I just made by using Framer. I just made it without writing any single line of code. That's amazing. Okay. The second thing is all in on tools. Framer brings together design, prototyping, animation, and publishing in a single plan. Like, you can do all everything you need. So it's perfect for those who want to grow from an idea to live website all in one place. It means fewer tools, less switching around, and more time to create and perfect your work. If you this is my framer dashboard. You can see already one project I built, made before. Here you can see I just design here. All I do all the necessary for publishing an website from here, and if I hit this publish button, then this website will live on Google. So that's amazing. The next thing is responsive and interactive design. Framer makes it simple to design website that looks great on any devices. If you see that this is for the only desktop users, and the second is on for the tablet viewer, and the third thing is for the phone users. So you can design for any devices from here, from your canvas. From your canvas, the tools has built-in responsive feature and offers a wide range of interactive elements that makes your design come alive, meeting the modern demands for user-friendly and engaging experience. And the next thing is high demand freelance and web design. Uh, in demand, as a framer's popularity grows more and more. More client and companies are looking for a designer and developer who know how to use it. Learn framer can set your effort in the freelance world, opening up more opportunity and increase your earning potential. If I visit one of the largest freelance platform, just if I search framer developer, so you can see on client post expert famous design needed for landing page and site enhancement. So you can see a lot of job post every day, and hire freelancer for their work. So this is very growing opportunity for framer developer for winning a job. And the next thing is ability to create and sell template. With Framer, you can create template that's offers. You can create template that other can use, opening up to a stream for passive income by designing and selling template. You can make money while providing a valuable resource to other designers and developers. Let's see those example. If you visit if you visit Framer official website, then here you can see resource drop down, and if you select marketplace, then then you can see a lot of templates here, and each templates made by each developer, or developer, and many developer upload templates for free or paid. If I click on this template, then I see that this template price is $79. If any client see this template and suitable for his business, then he must drive into Framer and purchase this for his own purpose. So you can see you have lot of opportunity to earn or to make money if you learn Framer. So the last thing is uh, uh, future proof your skill. If you as a web designer, trend shift toward interactive visual engineering, content tools like Framer are leading the way. By learning Framer, you are not just gaining a new skill, you are future proofing your career in web design and development. So I think in short videos, I can cover some key points. Which key points helps you why you need to learn Framer in 2025, and how Framer can change your life. Okay, so uh, if you like my video, and my video if my video helps you, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.